What happened out there?
Where are the others?
Hold him still, damn it! I'm trying! Hurry up!
Brace yourself.
Step aside. Give him some space. Get him inside. Freeze to death out here. He's one of John's party. Looks like trouble. I'm riding out. Wait here until I return.
I'm coming with you.
Forget it. You're not a member of the Watch.
Uncle, I can look after myself.
Ready yourself. It's dangerous out there. This is my kin. They're coming with.
Brave one, aren't you? Or just stupid?
A little of both. We'll go in on foot. Could be wildlings.
Ugly little wretch. Frost chewed up off her face. Here you go. Nice bit of warmth you'll ever get.
Enough. We're moving on. Best get used to this sight. The tribes are always at each other's throats. Most of them are hell-bent on killing each other. What's gotten into you? Too big to listen to your uncle now.
Rest is earned. The words of House Tyre.
Aye, that's my kin, all right. Stubborn to the bone. A ranger's horn. Good. Means they're close. I want to find more dead men in this damned forest.
Two blasts! Wildlings! What in the...
What's that mean?
Run! Stay close to me!
So this is why Father sent for me. Something bad's happening here. Wildlings. Night's Watch. This was the work of no man. There's gotta be something here. Someone was dragged off. Blood's fresh. Hasn't been long. Must find Uncle Kenneth. Fast. Sheldon.
Oh, thank the gods.
Why don't you stay dead?
By the old gods, found you at last.
We're not done yet. Uncle!
Sheldon! We should have split up! Forgive me, brother.
What were they?
Whites. The dead brought to life. That can't be good. Quick! To the horses! This way! It's nothing. Come, on your feet.
Uncle. Not fair.
On your horses, now. Good. Let's move.
It's good to see you, John. We're in your debt.
What are you two doing this far north of the wall?
Came to get you. We need you back at Castle Black.
This path ends at the river. The wall's just beyond. The giants! Leave the horses!
That's it! Keep at it! Watch that swing! Come on, ugly piece of shit! Out of the way!
Down! Aim for the knee! Keep going! Round it down! We have to keep moving. Come, there's a pass around the mountain.
Stay close to John! Stop for nothing! Run!
Quick! Through here!
Get up! Keep going!
We're surrounded!
This way! You all right? Come on!
The rope! Climb!
look back! Keep moving!
Here! To the right!
It's a dead end! We gotta jump!
Uncle, are you hurt?
No time for that now.
Come. We've overstayed our welcome as is.
Don't make a fuss, Uncle. I'll see to your wounds when we get back.
Like you did with that old horse, Ed. You kept trying to treat him by poking his rump with a needle. Oh, never thought I'd be glad to see that damn wall.
It almost feels peaceful from up here, doesn't it? I know how it feels.
I'm not sure you do.
My uncle led a ranging years ago. Never came back. I'm sorry about Kenneth. He was a good ranger. An even better man. It's my fault. I should have...
To hell with your apologies. We need to get him back. And kill the thing that did this.
Here, a man gets what he earns. When he earns it. We rush out now, we'll only get ourselves killed. I'm sure you have questions. I'll do my best to answer them.
What do you know about the White Walkers?
The servants used to speak of them when I was a child. Demons made of snow and ice, commanding the dead to harry the living. They care for nothing but death and cold.
The wall. How did it come to be?
Legend has it that Brandon Stark, founder of House Stark, built it with the help of giants and the children of the forest, to defend the realms to the south from whatever's lurking in the lands of always winter. Never thought I'd see those monsters with my own eyes.
Can the White Walkers be killed?
I don't know. A brother here, Sam, swears he killed one once, so there must be a way. You've seen the White Walkers yourself. You know what they can do. They have to be stopped. We could use your help.
I'm nothing but a northern bastard from a powerless house. Nothing I can do against an army of the dead.
Don't underestimate northern bastards. Castle Black is the only thing standing between the White Walkers and the Seven Kingdoms. House Tyre must send aid.
House Tyre can't even support itself, let alone the war.
Sir Marok is a good man. He fought at the Battle of the Bells alongside my father. He'll find a way.
So Marek is dying. I'm all there is.
Then you'll have to do. Someone must gather the support of the great houses.
John, I will see it done. What do I tell my father?
Tell him that, like it or not, winter is coming.
Our mighty wildling warrior feeling a bit chilly, eh? I was about to warm your stones with that hot poker.
Hells. Stay behind me.
Brick waddles more than a bloody seal pup.
Big scary thing, eh? Don't look so scary now.
Filthy savage! Get up, you ain't dying free. Had enough. We haven't started yet. Get him up. Heard you Thens don't feel pain like normal folk. Let's find out, eh?
John, they've been toying with him for hours. If Lord Commander Mormont were here...
Hold him still, lads. He's gonna squirm. Oi! Fuck did you do that for?
You're men of the Night's Watch. Act like it.
Hear that, boys? The brave Sir Snow's blessed us with another lecture. That kind of talk work on your little wildling whore made her wet, did it?
Stop it, both of you. John, Thorne wanted you sent to the council the moment you returned.
Well, best listen to Piggy here, Snow. We'll see you again soon.
I'm sorry you had to see that. This is Sam, Tarley, Maester Eamon's steward, and a good man.
I heard about your uncle. He was a good man. I'm sorry for your loss.
Thank you.
As you just saw, discipline here is not what it was. Doubt we last the night if Mance attacked tomorrow. You've your own worries, I know that. But if the war's to stand much longer, we need your help. And soon.
Aye. I'll leave at once. Good luck, John. Sam. The war has stood since long before I was even born. Never paid it much heed. No one in the Seven Kingdoms did. But now, I know what lurks beyond it. War doesn't do it justice. It's a shield, a border. On one side, life. On the other, death. The dead will march on the Seven Kingdoms. And when they do, the living must stand as one. No more vying for crowns. No more scheming for power. No more bloodshed over a hollow throne. Because there are monsters out there beyond that wall of ice. And they can do far worse than the monsters among us now.